In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Magic Studio in Canva step by step so you can quickly access Canva's powerful AI editing tools without wasting time searching through menus. If you've been wondering where Magic Studio is hiding, this guide will make it super easy to find. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Canva tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Canva in your browser or launch the Canva app and sign into your account. Once you're inside Canva, the next step is to open the design you want to work on. Magic Studio tools usually appear when you're editing a specific design, so this part matters. You can open an existing project or create a new one if you want to test it out. After your design is open, click on the photo or image you want to edit. This is important because many of Canva's AI and photo tools become available when a visual element is selected. So whether you're working with a product image, a personal photo, or a social media graphic, just make sure the image is active on the canvas. Now look at the top toolbar and click on Edit. This is the key step that many people miss. Once you click Edit, Canva should open the editor panel on the side, and this is where Magic Studio tools will appear. Depending on your version of Canva and the type of design you're using, you may see options like Background Remover, Magic Edit, Magic Eraser, or other AI-powered tools grouped together in the Magic Studio area. If you don't see Magic Studio immediately, don't panic. Sometimes you need to make sure the correct photo is selected, or you may need to scroll within the editor panel to find the full list of tools. In some layouts, Canva changes the placement slightly, but the Magic Studio tools are typically located inside the photo editing options after you click Edit. Once you find it, you can start using the feature you need. For example, if you want to remove a background, replace an object, or make quick edits with AI, Magic Studio is the place to go. This is one of the easiest ways to speed up your workflow in Canva, especially if you create content regularly for social media, business graphics, thumbnails, or marketing materials. So to recap, the process is simple. Open Canva, open your design, select the photo, click Edit in the top toolbar, and then look in the editor panel for Magic Studio tools. That's the fastest way to find them and get started. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, tricks, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.